Hello, and welcome back. Done my little test this morning, so I know this is working now. I know the volume's about appropriate. Now you just get to listen to me talk. Hopefully, I don't dox myself and that, although it's pretty obvious, I think. But we're just finished work. Finished work. Bloody warm day today, not too bad. A lot of mowing done. Now we're just going for a bike ride. I haven't been for a ride in a while. I'm just craving one. Got to watch out on this turn off, so you stay in this lane until we get some speed up, so no one comes over the top of the hill and fucks us. Or I think it's been 30 seconds. I hope. Yeah, there'll probably be plenty of swearing. But if you're not into that, just mute me, I guess. But I'm just going for a ride today. Gonna go to Lawrence and then loop back home again. But I've only got probably 30 minutes worth of camera, so I'm sure these will cut out at some point. And yeah, I won't even realise. So, but I should get most of the drive anyway. It's good to see other cyclists on the road. Or motorcyclists anyway. Lots of bloody people with electric fucking bikes nowadays. Dangerous. Them all the time in town. No helmets. Fucking doing wheelies at fucking 50 k's an hour. Good on them, but bloody hell. Won't take too long to get it regulated, I'd say. Alright, just coming into Grafton now, or South Grafton anyway. What have we got? I think got enough fuel. Yeah, I got a bloody three quarters. Three quarters full tank. Should be plenty of fuel to go for a nice bike ride. Fucking not a cloud in the sky this afternoon. My Pack Talk Pro, or not Pro, bloody Edge. Edge is what I'm using at the moment to record the video, and GoPro Hero 13 or 14, I don't know, the latest one. That's what I'm using to record video. And the bike is a Honda CMX 500 or Honda Rebel, I guess. Uh, Bloody great bike, I love it. It's the only bike I've ever ridden. Oh well, besides the testing bikes, and my sister's father-in-law let me borrow his bloody TR. Oh fuck, I forget what it was. A Yamaha thing, TR 250 or something, or might not have even been that. Might have been a. I think it was a 250. Yeah. Fucking, I only borrowed it for one day and I already bloody slid out on it. Used to ride the road bike. I wanted to go off road for a little bit, and let's just say it didn't work out too well. Let's fucking swap into this lane. What are you doing, mate? Don't stick next to this guy. What are you doing, mate? Going good. And a truck. Oh, no, he's not. He's not turning. He must have turned out. Behind me. What's Mr. Trucky Boy doing? I should have probably switched into the other lane, overtaken him. Now we're stuck behind him, but that's all good. No one's behind me. Good stuff. Mate, I'm not trying to overtake you. I'm a patient person. I'm on a cruiser, not a bloody super sport. Hey, this guy, he's all over the bloody road. Might need to pump his bloody tyres up, maybe. Bent bloody thing there at the back. Looks like he's leaning to the left a bit. Right now we're heading into Grafton. Just straight through south. Not bad. Right, might edit that one out. Stay nice and back. I don't want to go too close. It's good. It's a bit warm today. While we're going through town, I think we'll go right here. Go, bros. He's turning. Fuck me. This guy's fucking retarded. We survived that roundabout. Now we're getting up to speed. Wonder how that wind's gonna sound in the mic. Wonder if it's gonna even get up unless I'm talking. Jeez, I hope this guy doesn't turn left. If he does, oh, I think I'll go the other way. What's he doing? No blinker. Oh, there it is. Paying attention. Get past this guy. I don't want to be stuck behind this truck forever. Watch out for the manhole covers. Got a Dodge. That truck just turned out there, and that's where I'm going to be turning left. That one's always in blue. got? Looks like a adventure bike, that one. Wonder if he's going to come up behind me. No, he went to keep going. Oh, here we go. These are the kids with the bloody electric bike. They were towing each other all around bloody McLean the other day. Just regular bikes. A rev. Let them know. Let them know what they're missing out on. Riding push bikes, but I guess they're a bit too young to be riding a motorbike. What are you doing, mate? You gonna stop? You gonna stop? No, he's not. Here we go, nearly out of town, and only one person tried to run me over. It's pretty bloody good. Oh, speed up soon.